recording. So, this is Isidro, and thank you for the hospitality.
You're welcome.
We are in Bilbao, and today is July 16.
Yes.
And
today is the festivity of Virgin of Carmen.
Yoo-hoo.
Today is the day of the Carmen.
Okay, cool. And it's Thursday.
It's Thursday.
And at the back, you can see there is the ocean, no? The Atlantic.
Ocean, Sopelana Beach.
Exactly. And we are going to
swim. Of course, for sure.
So, and as you can see that there is the wave, no? That now is a low moment. So you can see part of the beach that basically it clears. Yeah, it appears. And so now what time is it? It's
7:45.
7:45. So this is fantastic. I have to say, as an Italian, doing this at that time is perfect. Sometimes in Canada, they eat at 6 p.m.
Yes, and this time people are going to bed, probably.
Exactly. So,
but Spain is different.
No, exactly. So I really like this doing late situation. So, ready? Now we'll take a couple of pictures also of the swimming. Okay? Bye. Oh, hola. Vamos.
Let's go.